Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford Focus Zetec bonnet. First, find the bonnet release lever, typically located on the passenger side footwell or near the driver's door. Give it a firm pull to hear the initial latch release. Once you hear that click, you can head to the front of your car for the next step. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now that the bonnet is slightly ajar, you need to find the secondary latch. Look for the Ford badge on the front grille of your car. This badge isn't just for show, it actually hides the mechanism you need. Gently push the badge either to the left or to the right. You'll notice it pivots, revealing a keyhole or a small lever underneath. This is the clever design for the second release. With the secondary latch exposed, take your car key and insert it into the keyhole you just revealed. Give the key a quarter turn clockwise. You should feel the final catch release, allowing the bonnet to spring up slightly. Now, you can gently lift the bonnet fully open. Be careful not to force it, as it should open smoothly once both latches are disengaged. You're almost there. To keep the bonnet securely open, find the support rod, usually located along the front edge of the engine bay. Swing it up and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet. When you're finished, simply remove the rod, lower the bonnet gently, and press down firmly on the front edge until you hear it click shut. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.